a video on the Hardwire kit on our standalone camera system. If you want to use this, you can, but it's probably easy to use the OBD2 one. But basically, you can just use the fuses that are straight on here if you choose. You just have to go to your fuse lock box. I'll use the tester, so I touch on top of the actual fuses. Find one that has constant power for the yellow. You can pull that fuse out and put our one in. Find one that has this ACC power, so only power when the car is on. You can pull that fuse out and pull our one in. And then this here will go to ground. Now, we also include all these taps in the kit because you might have actually a different size fuse box. So we have a few different actual sizes in here, and we also include the fuses. Now, these are double fuses, which is handy because you put this will plug into your fuse box. You put two fuses in. One will be fusing the actual fuse box, and the other one will fuse this device. And they are easy to pull out and change. So if you're using a different ampage fuse, it is okay. Because you can see like these ones, if a fuse actually blows, you can't take this fuse out. So they are pretty handy. Now, if you are going to be using these, you have to chop off that fuse there and hook these two wires together, and then they will plug in like that. So you have to do a bit of manual wiring here, but we do include the fuses in the kit here and the 3 different sizes of the fuse taps. So that is the Hardwire kit. If you want to use it, if you don't use it, you can throw these all out or keep them in your toolbox.